If meron kayong HMO sa work, please ask your HR for the specifics ng coverage ninyo. Kasi ang dami kong nakakausap na hindi sila familiar kung ano yung mga entitlement nila dun sa HMO benefit nila. I think you can start by asking kung ABL ba or MBL yung plan na meron yung company nyo. ABL means annual benefit limit at ibig sabihin yan, kung magkano man yung coverage na sinabi sa'yo, that is the total budget na nasasagutin sa'yo ng HMO provider for the whole year for whatever medical scenario. Halimbawa, 100,000 pesos daw yung ABL nyo. And then, ang policy year mo is April to March. April, nagkaroon ka ng pneumonia at ang bill mo umabot ng 60,000 pesos. So, mangyayari, yes, covered yun kasi pasok siya dun sa 100,000. And then after that, you have 40,000 pesos remaining. Tapos, let's say, by August, nagkaroon ka naman ng dengue. Tapos, yung bill mo is another 60K. So, in that scenario, hindi na mako-cover ng buo, di ba? Kasi 40,000 na lang yung natitira eh. So, yung 40,000, yes, covered. But the remaining 20K, you have to pay for it yourself out of your pocket na. Pero, halimbawa, MBL pala yung setup nung sa company nyo. MBL means maximum benefit limit. Ibig sabihin yan, kada sakit or injury, yun yung coverage mo. So, given the same example, April, nagkaroon ng pneumonia, 60,000. So, yes, covered yun. By August, nagkaroon ng dengue, another 60K. This time around, mako-cover yun ng buo. Kasi iba yung limit mo sa pneumonia, iba rin yung limit mo sa dengue. But similar kanina, kung sakali man na lumagpas na sa MBL, halimbawa, for the dengue, 120K inabot. So yung 20,000 na sobra, again, out of your pocket yun. Ikaw ang sasagot mo. O diba grabe yung difference nun? Kaya kailangan alamin nyo kung ano ba talaga yung HMO benefits ninyo. And then pag natapos na yung policy year and your company decides to renew yung inyong HMO membership, then magre-reset lang din yung sa coverage. For example, babalik ulit sa 100K yung ABL or MBL mo. Pero kung wala naman kayong HMO sa work, hindi yan pin-provide ng employer nyo, don't worry because you can actually apply for your own plan. Pwede mo ring isama yung family mo. At kung gusto nyo pang maintindihan lalo kung paano ba nag-work tong HMO, you're in luck because I am actually affiliated with MaxiCare as a health benefit consultant. So for any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or send me a message.